Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by for another Screwy Tuesday. Today's actually Sunday, Mother's Day. Just got done barbecuing with the family and trying to finish up on this video. I'm a grandpa. I've got 8-year-old twins, boy-girl twins. So Saturday, I don't get much shop time. I got to go to the different sporting events. They're playing baseball, softball, and soccer. So got to put in my grandpa duties. But anywho, I got some work done here in the shop. Here, this backdrop I thought I would show you is I added this metal cabinet here between the surface grinders, and inside it's got the dressers and other tools for the surface grinders. So that kind of worked out good, gave me a place to store things. And then secondly, I talked about, I put my grinders up on the wall, but where I was going to put all the different wheels, I went around for, too much time trying to figure something out, looking in drawers, where can I put it, but ended up in this box here, and this box has now got all the grinders, all the grinder wheels are in here now, so that worked out well. So working around the shop, and we're going to go over and take a look at the installation of my Wilton Vise. I'm calling it shop maintenance. That's basically what this is, getting something done, and it does feel good to get the shop in better shape each time you attack it. So I hope you enjoy today's Screwy Tuesday. If you enjoy, hit the subscribe button and stick around. Come on back for more. Hope everything's good for everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. Well, I'm doing a little shop maintenance, and kind of already started. Went to set up the camera to do this, to film it, and of course the battery was dead. So battery's up, and give you a quick review. Ended up setting the vise on the corner of my welding table here. My table's drilled with 6-inch on center, 1/2-inch 13 threaded holes. Well, the Wilton Vise isn't set up for that. It's been sitting here on the corner of my table for probably 2 years with one bolt in it, and it was finally time to let's get it in place. A little shop maintenance here. So what I started out with is I have transfer punches, the large set. So I put the vise in the location I wanted. Used transfer punches to locate the vise, drilled with a center drill in the transfer punch hole to give me a location, and then this is a 5/16 block hole, 5/16 center drill, and so that allowed me to go back into my hole that I started, lined up the block, clamped the block down, and now I'm drilling using the drill guide here to drill through the table. Table's about 1.25 inches thick, so it's a little bit of work here. Haven't decided if I'm just going to go up to 3/8 or 1/2 inch. See if I get wore out or not. This would be a great job for a mag drill. The other thing I'm using for the lubricant of the drill is this Jokich. I picked it up someplace. I've heard that it's really a good product, and so far I've been drilling and I'm really happy with it. So I'm going to continue on here, and we'll see, bring you back when I got some holes. You guys don't want to watch me drill, but put a little on the end of the drill down in the hole. I'll bring you back. Okay, the first hole's complete, and I've decided to go to 1/2 inch. So I'm going to move that guy, and this block has a 1/2 inch hole in it. Here's my hole. So I made myself a pin that will line up on the 5/16 hole down below. Right, it goes into there, that goes into there, line back up. Clamp down, centered on the hole, and now I can drill with the 1/2-inch drill bit and be right on center. Bring you back. Well, what the hell, might as well film the 1/2-inch hole. It's always a challenge. See what happens here. As I said, it's always a challenge. Come on out of there, honey. I think this drill bit. I'm not liking the trigger on this drill. Try it again. Alright, same drill bit, just a little regrind on it. Oh, bring you back when I'm through. Whew. Okay, 3 more to go. 3 more to go. So we take the center drill. Center drill fits into that hole. Center drill in the hole. Lines are up. And ready to drill. Okay, Bozo had to come see me. He's getting mean, drawing blood. That's what happens when you punch through and you land on top of the diamide clamp. I thought I was going to have a nice hex, but thin skin, I'm bleeding. All right, 1 more hole. Yeah, get the blood off there, you can kind of see it. Yeah, a little war wound. Little change in plans. As I was drilling the last hole, I realized that I'm going to go into the frame underneath, and there's no way I can get a through hole, so I drilled and tapped this one. 1/2-inch 13. So we're ready to install. All right, vise is mounted. Something I should have done a couple of years ago. Just being lazy. And the nice thing is I got clearance there off the table, and if I spin the vise I can go 90 degrees and I got clearance off the table. So got it where it's supposed to be, and I thought I'd show you this vise is an air operated or hydraulic operated Wilton vise. This is a stock piece from Wilton, and let's plug it in and I'll show it to you. I've showed this in the past. A lot of people have never probably seen something like this, but open this up. Thing you want to do is not get your finger in it, but there it is. There it is, closed. Open. Closed. Open. So I really haven't used it much. Not much at all. Haven't had a repetitive job where this would really come in handy. Let me move the camera down. You can kind of see how the back side of this guy works. You can see that piece closes back down, and that's opened up. There's the foot pedal that I purchased, a Heinrich air-operated foot pedal, 5-way. Okay, well, that's it for getting a job done that I should have done some time ago. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for stopping by for another Screwy Tuesday.